Hey guys, welcome to my channel Maths with KM. In this video, we are going to learn about how to identify convergence and divergence of the given improper integral. So let's get started. So the question is, test the convergence of integration from 1 to infinity x upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x squared plus 1 dx. So let's start with the solution. अभी ये जो इम्प्रॉपर इंटीग्रल है इसको आई सपोज करेंगे. सो लेट आई इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स अपॉन 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 dx. Now as we all can see that the denominator here is a polynomial of degree 4. So we have, अभी ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो लिखेंगे 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 is strictly greater than x to the power 4. And you must be thinking that why I have written here x to the power 4, why not x cube? क्योंकि यहाँ पे x to the power 4 है, इसलिए मैंने x to the power 4 लिखा है यहाँ पे. And it is obvious that this value will be greater than this. Now we want 1 upon this polynomial, so I will take its reciprocal. So this implies 1 upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 will be strictly less than 1 upon x to the power 4. And this is obvious that 1 upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 is less than 1 upon x to the power 4. As see here, 2 is greater than 1, and when I will take its reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2 will be strictly less than 1 upon 1, which is equals to 1. So 1 upon 2 will be less than 1. So when we take reciprocal, this sign changes to less than sign. So greater than sign changes to less than sign when we take reciprocal. So अभी ये हो गया. Now we want x in the numerator, so we will multiply by x. So multiply by x on both the sides. So x upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 is strictly less than x upon x to the power 4. So this implies x upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 is strictly less than 1 upon x cube. So what we all know that, but we know that integration from 1 to infinity 1 upon x cube dx, यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 to infinity क्यों लिया, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में वैसा है. So integration from 1 to infinity 1 upon x cube dx is convergent. Why this improper integral is convergent? Because we have seen one theorem earlier that if this integration from a to infinity 1 upon x to the power p is convergent if p is strictly greater than 1. ये थ्योरम का प्रूफ भी देख लिया था हमने पहले. And this improper integral is divergent if p is less or equal to 1. So here this improper integral is same like this, and here the value of p is 3, which is strictly greater than 1. Therefore this improper integral is convergent. So the reason for this is here p is equals to 3, which is strictly greater than 1. So now this is less than 1 upon x cube. So by we will treat this as equation number 1. So by equation number 1 and by comparison test, of convergence, what was the statement of comparison test of convergence? You can see it in the I button above. ऐसे था ना, f of x is less or equals to g of x, and if integration g of x dx is convergent, then this integration f of x dx will also be convergent. That is, अगर बड़ा वाला कॉन्वर्जेंट हुआ तो छोटा वाला भी कॉन्वर्जेंट ही होगा. सो यहाँ पे ये जो है ये बड़ा वाला कॉन्वर्जेंट है, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे देख लिया. सो छोटा वाला भी क्या होगा, कॉन्वर्जेंट होगा. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेंस. लेकिन एग्ज़ाम में आपको वो कंपैरिजन टेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेंस का फुल स्टेटमेंट लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. सो देयरफॉर इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 to infinity x upon 3x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 dx is convergent. So ये हो गया एक problem on how to prove that whether a particular improper integral is convergent or divergent. So next problem is we have to test the convergence of this integration from 2 to infinity x square upon root x to the power 7 plus 1 dx. So we will continue with the same procedure. Solution. So let I is equal to integration from 2 to infinity x square upon under root x to the power 7 plus 1 dx. अभी जैसे पहले प्रॉब्लम में लिया था डिनोमिनेटर, तो वैसे ही इसमें लेंगे, लेकिन अंडर रूट नहीं लेंगे, पहले ये जो अंदर है उसके वो लेंगे. सो x to the power 7 plus 1 is strictly greater than x to the power 7. It is obvious that x to the power 7 plus 1 is strictly greater than x to the power 7. अभी हमको इसका यहाँ पे क्या है, रूट है, अंडर रूट. सो वी हैव टू टेक स्क्वायर रूट on both the sides. So taking square root on both the sides. So under root x to the power 7 plus 1 is strictly greater than under root x to the power 7. So now this implies under root x to the power 7 plus 1 is strictly greater than x to the power 7 upon 2. As we all know that square root means क्या होता है, x to the power 7 to the power 1 upon 2. So इसको लिख दिया मैंने x to the power 7 upon 2. So now we want this under root x to the power 7 plus 1 in the denominator. So now we are going to take its reciprocal. So taking reciprocal, so this implies 1 upon under root x to the power 7 plus 1 will be strictly less than 1 upon x to the power 7 upon 2. अभी हमको x square न्यूमरेटर में चाहिए, so we will multiply by x square. So multiplying by x square, so this implies x square upon under root x to the power 7 plus 1 is strictly less than x square upon x to the power 7 upon 2. So this implies x square upon under root x to the power 7 plus 1 will be strictly less than 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2. So we will give this as equation number 1. Now we know that integration from 2 to infinity 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2 dx क्या है, कॉन्वर्जेंट है. because here the value of p is equal to 3/2, which is strictly greater than 1. So this improper integral is convergent. The reason for this is p की value है 3/2 यहाँ पे, and which is strictly greater than 1. So this particular integral is convergent. And now by question 1 and by comparison test for convergence, कहता है कि अगर बड़ा वाला इम्प्रॉपर इंटीग्रल कॉन्वर्जेंट है तो छोटा वाला भी कॉन्वर्जेंट होगा. So by equation 1 and comparison test for convergence, this was equation number 1. So integration from 2 to infinity x square upon under root x to the power 7 plus 1 dx is convergent. So here the given improper integral is convergent, and this ये जो था ये प्रॉब्लम, ये हमारा सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम था. एंड अभी थर्ड प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज show that integration from minus infinity to infinity x square upon 2 under root x to the power 7 plus 1 dx is convergent. So अभी ये convergent प्रूफ करना है. So ये पहले के जैसे ही प्रॉब्लम है. So I'm not giving you the solution of this problem. You can try it at home. अभी इसके हिंट बता देती हूँ मैं कैसे सॉल्व करना. सो यहाँ पे जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो इस फॉर्म में लेंगे. 2 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 7 प्लस 1 इज स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर देन 2 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 7. सो ऐसे स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो अभी आपको मिल जाएगा जैसे कि ये कि कॉन्वर्जेंट मिल जाएगा आपको. अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी और एनी डिफ़िकल्टी while सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, then you can comment me in the comment box. So friends, if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.